Hi, this is the full conceal perspective. Regarding the deployment speed of a folded M3D in comparison to a traditionally inside the waistband L-shaped pistol, which is faster? Well, the L-shaped pistol is going to be faster. I mean, similar to the analogy of having a sheath full knife versus a folding tactical knife. There's always still that one step to get that. You still have something that you need to do, whether it's a flick or something to get that into the same position, right? So that's going to be faster. Now, debatably, I mean, we can look on the internet and just see how much faster is it? Is it just half a second or quarter of a second? Depends how much you practice. But that's really, I think, not the advantage of the folding system. It's not about competing, because on speed of just a draw, a quick draw, it's just going to be faster with an L shape. The advantage is something that no other pistol has, which is actually pre-deployment or discrete draw. So if you're trying to assess a threat or a situation on a traditional pistol, you can't draw that. You can't just take out your pistol and watch something as it happens. You might be brandishing and it's illegal and you're going to scare the people around you. Versus the M3D, because it's in its current shape, you can pull this out of your pocket, essentially. I could take this out, cover it with my hand, and no one would really know what this is. And I could even just hold it like this. You wouldn't really see what it is. It's in my hand already, out of my pocket, while I'm watching a situation. And if a threat arises, the transition from here to that is very, very quick. So being able to pre-deploy or discreetly deploy is the advantage of our system that no other firearm has. So deployment speed, I guess, is now a matter of perspective. This is just another perspective of being able to deploy quickly from a pre-deployment standpoint. So that's where we have an advantage over traditional pistols.